the window, reaching for a North Star.
Hello friends, today we are getting extra close. You are joining me in my shower. I'm going to be showing you my entire hair care routine, how I take care of my hair, and starting off, I suffer from dandruff, so I use Head and Shoulders. I know it's not the best one to use, but honestly it works for my dandruff. I use whatever works, and I just put a tiny bit in my hand, and then I just lather and massage it into my head. Dandruff shampoo can be very drying, so I really only use this once a week, sometimes only like 3 times a month. That's almost once or 0 times a week. It just depends. And then I also should mention, I don't always use the Head and Shoulders brand. Sometimes I just use the Walmart Equate brand. I honestly just use whatever is on sale at the moment when I need it. When I had colored hair or like balayage or bleached hair, I used to use dandruff shampoo less because it was known to strip color, but now I just use it because my hair's black. Anyways, this is the shampoo I use. It's the Live Clean shampoo. I absolutely love this one. It's in a little purple bottle, and Live Clean is a really good brand, I'm pretty sure. It's paraben free, sulfate free, all of that stuff. So I just put a good amount in my hand. I kind of do a bit more than I should, but honestly it's fine. Anyways, I like when I do like 2 rounds of shampoo, like the dandruff shampoo and this shampoo, because I feel like my hair is just extra clean, and I love this stuff. It's made for like volumizing your hair, and my hair falls flat pretty fast, so absolutely love this stuff. Once again, just lather it into your hair. Don't use your fingernails, that's a bit rough, not gonna lie. Sometimes I do though. I've also noticed my hair tends to like get used to shampoos and conditioners, so every now and then, like every few months or like once a year at least, I will change my shampoo brands just because I like to change them up, because I've noticed that's what works best with my hair. And I know a couple people feel the same way. Let me know if you do the same in the comments down below. But then I just rinse that off, and after I'm done my shampoo, I make sure all of my hair is like stretched out, or not stretched out, like wringed out, so there's not too much dripping water, or at least I try my best. And that means then it is time for conditioner. For my conditioner, I am using the exact same brand as the shampoo, the Live Clean Biotin conditioner, same bottle, it's just purple. And yeah, I love this stuff. It's super nice. This actually helps me a lot with the shampoo because the shampoo is very drying, and this conditioner softens my hair back up so much. Anyways, I just apply that to the ends of my hair, kind of like the middle, I guess, but I mostly just skip the roots because I know you're not supposed to put conditioner in the roots, I'm pretty sure. I then just let the conditioner sit in my hair while I wash my body, so I'm just gonna go do that real quick. Alright, after I'm done washing my body, I then just rinse out the conditioner. Honestly, this part is so satisfying to me. My hair is so soft, smooth, we absolutely love it, so you know, just enjoy me rinsing out my hair. Alright, after my shower is complete, I then just wring out my hair. Once again, not gonna lie, I'm kind of aggressive with this. I don't think you should be that aggressive, but my hair is pretty strong. She's built different, so I can get away with it. But if your hair's weak, don't do this. And then I just get out of the shower. Not gonna lie, I'm one of those people that throw my hair in a towel and just like leave it there, so yeah, that's who I am. Alright, the first thing I put in my hair when I get out of the shower is this Black Caviar 12-in-1. I know that's kind of crazy, but this stuff works. I actually got it from the salon I go to sometimes, so it's like salon grade if that means anything to you, but I really like this stuff. It's also a heat protectant as well, but I don't really use it for that. It just makes my hair so soft, and it smells good, and it makes my hair so soft. I then also put in a Pantene Overnight Repair Serum in my hair. My hair doesn't really need it, but I actually really do like this because when I did bleach my hair, it was always constantly dry, so I found this stuff really helped. But ever since I went back to black, it's kind of been fine. But anyways, I still keep it in my hair just because I do like how it turns out, so I just rub that into my hair. And then after that, I use a wet brush for my hair. I love the wet brush. You can also just get them at the dollar store, by the way. There's no need to pay $16 for them, but I just brush. I sometimes start at the roots, not gonna lie, because those 2 products, the serums, they make my hair so like untangled that it's crazy. I can just brush from the roots. To try any harder, it just better, it just good when I'm with you. In case it's not already obvious, make sure to brush the other side. I don't know, sometimes I just feel like I need to clarify these things because not everyone knows. But then another thing I do is I always brush my hair from the back because, you know, I don't like tangles. And then another thing is I always keep my hair behind my ears while it's drying because that kind of gives me like a curtain bang effect, and you'll see when I wake up. But let's go to bed. Alright you guys, it is now the next morning. This is how my hair looks like when I wake up. It's pretty straight and it's like kind of like fluffy and airy, has a little bit of volume, but there is one thing I do. So besides just brushing my hair, I brush the front pieces like back, and I find that gives it more volume just because my hair is already so clean and fresh. It has more volume and it can hold throughout the day, and because I leave my hair tucked behind my ears majority of the time, it creates like a little like curtain bang type of thing. You can kind of see, I don't know, I kind of slept on it weird last night, but that's the gist of it. So when it comes to hair washing, I really only wash my hair 2 times a week. I mainly wash my hair on Mondays and Thursdays, sometimes Sunday and Thursday, so there's either 4 days between or 3 days between, just because, you know, the weeks are uneven. So on day 3 or 4, that's when my hair starts getting oily, so then I go in and use some Dove Volume Dry Shampoo. This is just a dry shampoo, and I just like spray it in the roots here. Look at who's here! Look who's here! Zoe is! She saw me filming and she came upstairs. Just kidding, she's looking for my father because she's obsessed with him. Like I was saying, I wash my hair 2 times a week, and by the 3rd and 4th day it starts to get oily, so that's when I start putting my hair up in like little pigtails, half up, half down, or in a high ponytail, and that gets it out of the way. And then on the 3rd or 4th day, I go through it all again, wash my hair. Oh, I also want to mention one more thing. I started using silk scrunchies, and they are so much more better for your hair. They stay in so well, and they're just a lot more gentle. I have another one. I don't know where it went. I think I left it in the bathroom, but they are from Ferrier. I will leave their little Etsy shop down below. They sent them to me a while ago, but I love these. This is what my hair looks like from the back. I did cut it a while ago, so there is a lot more layers. It's kind of like in a V shape, and then the front is kind of short, and then of course it just goes down. There's long layers and short layers. It's just a lot of layers. But yes, that is my entire hair care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know hair is like a touchy subject because what works for me might not work for someone else in general, and everyone has different types of hair and how they respond differently to products. So regardless, if you guys enjoyed this video or at least like found it somewhat helpful, if you want to see more videos from me, you guys can click that subscribe button down below, and if you want, you can leave a comment. It helps me a ton in the algorithm. I appreciate it very much. If you want to see even more of me, you guys can follow my Instagram and TikTok. It is all linked down below. But regardless, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Say bye, Zoe. Bye.